it's raining on Sunday, storming like crazy. We'll hide under the covers all afternoon. Maybe whatever comes on Monday, we'll take care of itself, 'cause we've got better things that we can do when it's raining on Sunday. Your love is like religion crossing Mexico. Your kiss is like the innocence of a prayer nailed to a door. Oh, surrender is much sweeter when we both let it go. Let the waters wash our bodies clean and love wash our soul. Pray that it's raining on Sunday, storming like crazy. And we'll hide under the covers all afternoon. Baby, whatever comes on Monday, we'll take care of itself, 'cause we've got better things that we can do when it's raining on Sunday. Pray that it's raining on Sunday, storming like crazy. And we'll hide under those covers all afternoon. Baby, whatever comes on Monday, we'll take care of itself, 'cause we've got better things that we can do when it's raining on Sunday. Raining on Sunday. I feel like my body just didn't go. I'm soaked up here, but whatever. I got one more for you. Is that okay?